How much space is required for a crematory facility? Determining the space required for a crematory facility is a key consideration when planning to add cremation systems to your funeral home or when starting a cremation business from the ground up. At FT North America, we help clients optimize their layout to ensure the facility is efficient, compliant, and tailored to their needs. Space requirements for the cremation retort. The primary component, the cremation retort or cremation chamber, has specific space and clearance requirements. A standard single-body retort typically requires a footprint of approximately 10 to 15 feet in length, 6 to 8 feet in width, 8 to 10 feet in height. This ensures adequate room for the machine itself, ventilation systems, and operator access. However, the total space needed extends beyond the retort itself. Additional space considerations. Pre-processing area. You'll need a staging area where remains are prepared for cremation. This space includes tables for removing medical devices, like pacemakers, and securely housing caskets or cremation containers before they enter the cremation chamber. Cooling and post-processing area. After the cremation cycle, remains require time to cool before they're processed into a fine, uniform consistency. A dedicated area for processing equipment, such as cremulator machines, is necessary to maintain workflow efficiency. Storage of remains. Facilities need secure, respectful storage for cremated remains, awaiting return to families. Depending on volume, shelving or cabinetry can be installed to maximize space. Ventilation and equipment access. Proper ventilation is critical for safety and environmental compliance. The cremation machine requires clearances for airflow, gas lines, and exhaust systems, often necessitating additional height and ductwork space. Operator work area. Operators need sufficient space to maneuver safely around the cremation equipment. Aisle widths of at least 3 to 4 feet around the retort are recommended for comfort and compliance with safety regulations. Administrative and viewing areas. If you plan to offer families the option of witnessing the cremation, you may need to incorporate a designated viewing room. This requires additional square footage and thoughtful design for privacy and dignity. Facility layout recommendations. In total, a functional crematory often requires 800 to 1,200 square feet for a single retort setup, depending on the configuration. Facilities handling higher volumes or exploring how to start a pet cremation business may need additional space for multiple retorts, separation of workflow, and secure remains handling. Customization for your needs. At FT North America, we assist clients in designing crematory layouts that make the most of their available space. Whether you're retrofitting an existing funeral home or constructing a standalone facility, we help you plan for optimal equipment placement, workflow efficiency, compliance with zoning and ventilation requirements. Our team provides not just cremation equipment, but expert guidance to ensure your crematory is safe, efficient, and future-proof as your business grows. If you'd like to discuss your space plans or see examples of proven facility layouts, we're here to help every step of the way.